Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name's Nancy. I'm a makeup artist and I have a contour technique for you if you are over 40. All right, first of all, we don't need all this contouring here, all this drawing on your face, all right? Not necessary. If you're very intentional with your contour, it's going to look more natural, all right? First of all, get yourself a cool toned contour stick. It needs to be cool toned because this mimics natural shadows, all right? And so the placement is what's important here. All right, first of all, we're gonna go here on the forehead. We're just gonna make a dot, all right? Because usually our hair starts to recede and our forehead becomes like a 5 head, right? So we got a dot there. Then we wanna do a dot right here. Go ahead and draw a dot there, all right? Then on the side of your nose, because unfortunately, your nose always grows as we age. I hate that. All right, then if you think about this here, this kind of all flows and we want to just put a dot right there for that area there, okay? Then get your blending brush and then we're gonna start to blend that in, all right? Side of the nose, that one is such a big deal for me. I noticed how my nose started getting bigger. It started to look like my dad. Oh, not that that's a bad thing. I have a handsome dad, but come on. All right, there you go. This is very much intentional contouring. All this, not necessary, right? Not necessary. We've got too much product on your face. We're going all over here, all over here. All right. Go ahead and give it a try. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Like this video if it was helpful. I always have resources in the bottom for you, in the box. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.